Dear student, due to coronavirus, school started online classes for your study. So you can subscribe Golden Flower Palia YouTube channel, like and press the bell icon.
Hello students, welcomes you all in class 10th, chapter number 1, The Rise of Nationalism in Europe, part 4. Today in part 4, somewhere children, we are having the last description about the visualizing the nation. Visualizing the nation, we are having about the Armenian and about the Germania. So my dear students, visualizing of the nation when we are talking about here, we are about here the Armenian and the Germania. Were both of the female allegories used by the artist in the 19th century to represent the nation. In the 19th century, both were the images just as a female images used to represent the nation. When we talk about in France, so France, it was just, she was named as a Marin. Marin was just taken a lady name, and it was a popular Christian's name which is underlined, you can say, the idea of the people's nation. And here the characterized drawn from the who to those of the liberty and republic, like we talk about the red cap, tricolors, cockade statues, and of the Marian were is just erected of the public squares as a national symbol of the unity. And that is Marian image were is remarked on the coins and the stamps also it were used, because it was just a symbol where we can show just all kind of the you can say emotions through the coins and pictures. And second thing I am just talking about here, the Germania. So Germania, we are having, instead of just we are having the idea of the fatherland. So fatherland, they wanted to implant the suitable images, and for that the Marin is reminding the concept of the Matrabhumi, because already I told you Frederick Studio was drawn a one picture, and through that all the four parts he just shows by the visualization of the France. So that kind of the, you can say, just is just kind of the Matrabhumi concept shown by the Marian. And Germania became the allegory and German nation, and Germania wears a crown of oak leaves and German oak leaves, and that oak leaves, why that on the crown they were just using wearing kind of that kind of the leaves were there, and they leaves was just showing the heroism, means heroism means the supreme of a power is there. And from the hung of the St. Paul's Church were the Frankfurt Parliament were converted and the symbolizing the liberal revolution. And for this, in these two ways, I think you concept, the first one was through the very clear, that was just concept of the Matrabhumi through the Marian. It was just you can say a name of the female birthing. Okay. So children, already I just had the discussion about here. I told about the nationalism, and nationalism I told you about the Balkans regions. If my dear students, in the geographical area we can go through by the ethnic or political comparison by the you can see a modern days about the Roman or Albania, Greece, Macedonia were there, Croatia were there, and Croatia after Bosnia is there, Herzegovina is there, Slovenia, after that the Serbia and the Montenegro, whose all inhabitants were the broadly known as the slaves. These all the states were just known as the slaves. So the slaves were there. The slaves, a large part of the Balkans was under the control of the Ottoman Empire. So Ottoman Empire, when they spread the ideas in the exploitation of the region and the nationalism in the Balkans together with the disintegrations of the Ottoman Empire, and made this region is a very explosive. Why made this region very explosive? Because already these all the states were just there as slaves only. So as a different Slavic nationalist struggles we can define as their identity and the independence. So Balkan area became the area of the intense conflict, and Balkan states were fiercely jealous to each other, and the each hoped gain more of territory and expense of others also there. So after that the liberalism was an important factor which promoted to the nationalism also and the nation state. and the liberalism has been derived from the Latin word. Latin word means a liberal. Liberal meaning you already know, a very meaning, that is a liberal. Liberal meaning is there, that is a meaning of the free. So that is their imperialism. The word is there, the imperialism is there. Imperialism is a different word when we can talk about all the differentiation. When we are talking about the differentiation, when we are showing the supreme of power, and that was there through the you can say Britain was there, and that is the main reason why they are just talking about. So here we are just having the nationalism and the imperialism, and we are talk about already the Bismarck, and Bismarck through the nation used to come as per the Otto von Bismarck. So after that, what was the main thing is there? Main thing is there when everybody just talk about as the separatism over there, but slowly or gradually when every country just got the freedom, and they all came together, and it would be a universally with each other. So in this way already I had just clear about the visualization of the you can say about the nation. Now in the same way we are just having the topic about here is the nationalism and the imperialism. My dear students, here is when we are talking about the nationalism. Nationalism means the feeling of the nation. The feeling of the nation towards the country, towards the you can say place where we people used to live. Like here we are talking about the nationalism in Europe. If the European people were there, the France peoples were there, they are having the great love, affection, emotion through their country. So here is a topic of the imperialism is a somewhere the different meaning, because nationalism when we are having that feeling emotions towards our country, where we just want to say our country, our nation is quite good, quite well, all the aspects is very good in the comparison. But imperialism somewhere is a different is here, like yeah, Britain was there. Britain was there in France. Britain, just tell about that Britain is one supreme of the power is there. So last the quarter of the 19th century when we talk about the importance of the Balkans. Balkans were there, the sense of they had the powers, and the imperialism caused due to the world war, and the idea of the nationalism now we can have you can say just a nation states was accepted into the you can say universally. Why it was accepted by the universally? Because through all the visualization, through all the explanation, when we had the discussion about the Balkans, we had the discussion about the Napoleon, Otto von Bismarck. Otto von Bismarck, what was there when how he just shown his all power through there, and how he combined all the states over there. So in this way, what I want to say over here, the nationalism and imperialism, and nationalism and imperialism, both the words are having the different meaning, and in this we just show how the sense of all cause of the world war, and how all the world war of the all sense, all the things was happened or slowly or gradually, how the different kind of the states talk about their nationality, supreme power, and when they were free, they were the democratic, how they became in the power, and how the national state was accepted universally all over the world. So this was all about the topic today, and we had discussed all the things, I think, through all the part 4s, the chapter number 1. And remain, I just want to say, my dear students, if any doubt, any query or any vast explanation is remain to be discussed, we can discuss. And now we have to go through by all the question answers, all the explanations. Thank you.
Do self-study at home and stay home, save lives. Thank you very much.